Husker football season, certainly a roller coaster ride. Some highs, some lows. Of course, Nebraska finished 7-5. And as we celebrate the holidays, we present you with the sounds of the season. Now, the only rule are the sound bites that you hear are from game days only. So with that in mind, let's take a quick look back at the 2025 regular season.
I did my assignment, looked up, seen the ball. Yeah, I just made the play, man. It felt unreal.
Obviously, we'd love to win the game by more, but, I thought that was an exciting way, and to see our guys make plays down the stretch, I hope the fans enjoyed that part of it, and, it was certainly fun to see them celebrate at the end.
And as if the night couldn't get any better for Luke Lindemeyer, not only does he score his first career touchdown, after the game, he gets on a knee and proposes to his girlfriend, Kaylin, who says yes.
To share life with one of the most loving person I ever met.
To be 3-0 and end up playing a Power 4 team and dominated two teams we're supposed to dominate. That's all I can ask of the guys. How great, how special is what we have? I don't know what the final record will be at the end of the year, but I love this team. I don't like where we're at right now. I feel like someone, hit me with a hammer right now. I wanted to win the football game, and I thought we would win the football game.
They rushed hard. They collapsed the pocket, and then they did a good job. So, hats off to them. Super proud of the way we stuck together because we knew we were going to keep punching. They were going to punch, and eventually someone's going to have to be knocked out.
I think this is a game in previous years we might would have lost. I like the mindset and where it's headed. There's a ton of things we have to clean up. There's a ton of things we have to get better at. We are not a perfect team. We have to play around all of our things. But I also say we show up every week.
One hand to go win the game. I blacked out when I threw the ball, and all I saw was his right hand go up, and he snatched it, and all I could think was, damn, let's go.
He's just the ultimate competitor. It's why I get upset, sometimes when people, in the national media, it's all the Mahomes compare. I'm like, this guy's a stone-cold fighting winner.
Well, how do you explain this one? Start from the top. Start with Dylan Raiola. The quarterback was sacked a program record 9 times.
We just got beat, flat out. We just got beat. I don't know. I have to go back and watch it, but, we got outplayed.
They were the more physical team. They made the plays they needed to make, and they beat us pretty convincingly. So hats off to them, and obviously disappointed for our guys. Yeah, you're supposed to win. You're supposed to win. And if you lose, you can't lose the way we lost last week. And so that was a learning lesson for everybody.
Oh, yeah. Like I say, it was the best feeling. I just turned around and I seen my entire team just celebrating with me. So that was the best feeling for sure.
Turning point in this game comes in the third quarter. Nebraska with the ball. Dylan Raiola gets sacked. He fumbles, and he gets hurt. He doesn't return, although he wanted to.
The trainers didn't want him to go out there, but they didn't say, no, he can't. They just kind of were like, hey, he shouldn't be out there. So I told Dylan, I love you too much to ask you to play when you're hurt like this.
It's just hard to see him walking off the field, somebody who's a warrior who I, playing every snap with, and then to see him walk off like that just sucks. So may God bless him and get him back healthy.
Emmett Johnson makes some Nebraska history. He's the first Husker running back to rush for more than 100 yards in a game and 100 receiving yards in the same game. Week by week, Johnson is nudging his way into the Heisman conversation.
Yeah, it was in the moment, but you see the O-line behind me, so I hit it for those guys, and those guys block their ass off for me every single day. Excuse my language, but they block hard for me.
Pretty cool to be coaching in the Rose Bowl and be playing in the Rose Bowl and have that fan base and all those things. So it's just the power of what Husker Nation is, and we also know what they want, and we're working towards it.
It's a disappointing day. We don't have a lot of time to worry about it, think about it. We got a big game on Friday, so we take this L. I put it on me as the head coach.
Losing's never good, but you can always learn from losing. So we just got to learn from this. It hurts. Don't get me wrong, it hurts, but we got to flush it and move on.
Put it on me. I'm in charge of this. Troy and them, they extended me. They believe in what we're doing, and then all of a sudden we come down the stretch, we lose these last 2 games. I'm pissed off at myself. But I know where we're headed. I know what we're doing. I know where we're moving forward, and so I believe in what we're doing. I believe in the recruits that are bought into us. I believe in the signing class Wednesday, and so I don't want to overreact.
We'll see what happens in the final chapter of the Huskers 2025 season. New Year's Eve, Nebraska, Utah, in the Las Vegas Bowl, 2:30 kick on ESPN. Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Andy Kendi.